Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how we can install IntelliJ on our Mac machine. So all you have to do is go to your favorite browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any other browser and simply type IntelliJ in the search bar. Once you do that, you will be presented with this search results. So make sure that the results are from jetbrains.com. Once you see the results, simply click on the download button and then you will be on this page. Now, this version of IntelliJ that you are presented here, it's a paid version. Please do not download this version. We should be downloading is this one, IntelliJ IDEA Community version. So once you are on this page, then first you have to make sure that you are downloading the right file for your Mac. So for example, if your Mac is older than 2020 or it does not have that Apple Silicon, you can select this one, Intel one. However, if you have the latest Mac, M1, M2, then you should be clicking on this Apple Silicon one. So for example, I have the Mac M1, so I will be clicking on this TMG, and then after this, the download will start. Now, I have already downloaded this, so I will not be downloading it again. Once the file is downloaded, all you have to do is open the folder where the file has been downloaded, and then you simply has to double click and then drag and drop this to applications folder. Now, once you do that, the IntelliJ will be installed on your computer. Now, you might see some pop-ups asking for the terms and conditions. Simply click on next, and that will be okay. Now, once the IntelliJ is downloaded, now you can go into your search menu here and then you can type IntelliJ IDEA. So I have already installed IntelliJ. That's why I see this view. However, you will be seeing something like this. You will be presented most probably with this window. This window is basically a window which is asking you some details so that it can create a project. So for the name of the project, let's call it Java Basics or anything that you like. Do not change the location. Make sure that Java and Maven is selected from here. Now, one more thing. If you are downloading the IntelliJ for the first time on your computer, you might not see any JDK here. Also very easy. It's not a big issue. Simply click on this drop down here and then click on Download JDK. Once you do that, you will be presented with the list of the JDKs. We will be using Java 11, but you can use any JDK. Just make sure that it is at least Java 11, Java 15, 17, or even sometimes IntelliJ might select the latest one, which is 21 for you automatically. That is also totally fine. Once you see that list, so for example, like here, I see 21, you can select 11 from here like this and simply click on the download button. And once that is done, you will see Corito 11, Amazon Corito, something like this here. That's all that we need to do. And once everything is done, simply click on create and you will not be presented with this window because I have already opened a project. That's why I see this. So simply click on this window or any other window. Now, this is how the IntelliJ looks like. I have already recorded a video on basics of IntelliJ. So to understand what are these things, you should be watching that video. In this video, we will just make sure that the IntelliJ is installed and it works perfectly fine. So once you see this page, you can right click and then you can click on Run Main. Once you do that, you should be presented with some kind of output here. So for example, whatever you put here, if you write this command, so you simply has to type as out and then double quotes and let's say hello world or whatever you want to print. And once you have written this, simply run it. You should see that output in the console. If you see the output here on the console, if you don't see any red errors, that means all is good and you are ready for your first class. So that's it for this video in which I have showed you how to install IntelliJ on your Mac machine. Please watch the next videos and I'll see you in your first class. Thank you. Bye-bye.